Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm in this one of the biggest shopping mall in Russia called Arshan, and I found so many interesting things, and because of the sanctions you find that there are some famous products like Coca-Cola, Fanta, Sprite. These drinks, or these carbonated drinks, they have been replaced by other locally made drinks with similar name. So I just want to show you these products which have replaced some of the famous carbonated drinks that we have, like Coca-Cola, Fanta, Sprite, and other things. If you are watching from Europe, if you are watching from Asia, if you are watching from Africa, if you are watching from Australia, North America, South America, don't forget to subscribe. This is typical content from Moscow, and my name is Matthews, aka Macho 08 from Zambia, where we call sausage Sonia.
Yo, what's up? Wow, he have a low battery. We are the best friends from Russia. We love you and your channel.
Thank you. These are my fans from Russia, and I'm already in the section where you're going to find these carbonated drinks that have replaced the famous Coca-Cola, the famous Fanta, the famous Sprite. So what are we going to start with? I think we are going to start with this one, you know, Coca-Cola, and here you can even see the name. It is written Coca-Cola. That is the name that they have changed, and you can even see that the name is just almost the same, which is quite interesting. And what is the price for this one? This is 108. There is another one here, and just look at the design. I think the design is just one and the same. It's like maybe even the content of these drinks, it is the same despite having the different name called Coca-Cola. In my opinion, what do you think? Let's check out another one. There is another famous drink called Fanta. Yes, look, this is fans. Wow, I find it to be so hilarious. I find it to be so comical that it has got the same features. Everything is just the same, but they have just changed the name. And this is 1.5 liter fans, which is from Fanta, Coca-Cola from Coca-Cola, fans from Fanta, and it is going at 109 rubles, which is, you know, 72 rubles a liter. Let's go to another one, or let's come to another one, which is zero Coke. Yes, there is zero Coke, where there is no sugar, or there is no, you know, a lot of sugar. And this is another one, Coca-Cola, which is zero Coke. You will not find sugar in this Coca-Cola. And this one, it has also depressed the zero Coca-Cola, and you can even see, I think everything is just the same. I'm enjoying this kind of game they are playing, where they are just changing the name, which is kind of similar, and a lot of Russian are buying. Despite having these brands, despite having these products, you find there is still Coca-Cola, you still find there is Fanta, you still find there are other products that have been, you know, banned to come to Russia, but still you find them, and it is going at 109. All in all, you find them, and they have just changed the name, but people, they still buy. Personally, I've never tried this before. And what do you think of these names which are here. There is COCA-COLA, there is also Fans, which is quite interesting. I think you just change the first letter is the same, the first, and you just change the, you know, at the end there. I'm looking for Fanta, the thing that has replaced Fanta. Oh, there is even another one, because I showed you the Zero Coke and the COCA-COLA. There is another one here. This one, Dobry Cola. Yes, just look at the packaging, just look at the design. What do you think? Leave a comment. I would like to hear from you. Did you even have an idea that they changed the names? They have their own products from Coca-Cola despite having that. And before I forget, you know, I'm even drinking vanilla as I'm filming. This is also a product of Coca-Cola, because there is Coca-Cola vanilla, there is Coca-Cola Sprite, there is Coca-Cola. Sorry for that, my battery had to shut down, so I had to change to another one. As I was talking, that there is Coca-Cola Sprite, there is vanilla, there are lemon and other things. So this is another replacement of Coca-Cola vanilla, and let's go and find, oh yes, I found it. Yes, finally. So this is Sprite, the version of Sprite. Just look at it, Goose Lemon Light. So it is just showing you that no, despite the name, but you still have an idea, even if you look at it from afar, that this is the famous Sprite, the brand of Coca-Cola. But I like the creativity and everything, but despite the name being different, I think the content is almost everything, or it is just everything. So this is the lemon version of Coca-Cola, or rather the Sprite version. And I showed you Fans, this is mango, because Coca-Cola has made so many different flavors of Coca-Cola. Sprite mango, or Sprite, or Coca-Cola Zero Coca-Cola, and you know, Fanta with mango taste. They are both going at 108 rubles. So let us continue. There is another place where I saw different of them in small amount. Otherwise, I always appreciate that you come to my channel, you watch different content that I make, because it means a lot. Without you, my channel ceases to exist. Oh, I'm here. Yeah, this is what I was talking about. You see, we have got different liters. There is 1.5 BS, which means without sugar. There is caramel taste going at the caramel, it is going at 10, and there is another one here, Jumbo Cola, which is just another Asian. I'm looking for something that I wanted to, or that I want to show you. So all these brands, you can even see Russians are buying, supporting their local brands. Yes, you can even see other plastics are empty, and this is where I got my vanilla. This one I've not yet paid for this. Yeah, there is this one as well, which is packed like this, and these they have just replaced Fanta, Sprite, Coca-Cola, and even this one. You see the name, it is even written in Russian. And this one and this, they are quite cheap. This is going at 29, and the one that I'm drinking is going at 74, despite me not paying yet. So if I get caught, I don't know what will happen, but I'm going to pay, just that I'm still around here. And you see, even this one, it is the replacement of Coca-Cola, meaning all these products here are just replacement of Coca-Cola, all these products. And I hope this video has been quite informative, showing you most of the brands that have been replaced by, you know, these interesting oh, I found another one. Just look at this section. All these fancy Dobry, all these ones. And these ones, they are a little bit cheap because they are locally made compared to the imported one. So these are all the brands that have replaced Coca-Cola and other things. Hello. What do you think? Leave a comment. It is quite an interesting vlog. Even me, I did not even notice when I came here. That's when I just noticed that they have changed a lot of things here in Russia. You can even see this one S, which means Sprite. This one as well. It is an interesting thing to know, to see all these products. And oh, this, I don't know, I did not find this my favorite. Fans things just like that. Okay, and this one. So guys, this is what I wanted to show you. Thank you very much that you always visit my channel. Thank you very much that you always watch content that I keep on producing. Your support means a lot. Without you, my channel ceases to exist. So thank you very much. Leave a comment, like, subscribe, and write what kind of comment would you like to be, you know, viewing from Russia. And if you want to support my channel, you can buy stickers, and I'll really appreciate. Thank you, and see you in the next video. It was your boy Matthews, aka Machu08 from Zambia, where we call sausage Sonia. Otherwise it is Zambia Charo. See you. Love you so much. Mwah.